channel in another vlog. So that's okay. Let's go. I like that. Okay. Okay. Understand. Hello. Hello, guys. Like this. So cool. This is one that's not yours, that's not then. Kaya ngayon nag-English ako kasi kaya ko na. So guys, yun guys. Pero mahirap pa rin sagot ako kasi ang taba ng bibig ko. Kailangan ko magpapayat guys.